good set. Get you right twisted, you feel me? Got that, boom, feel me? Break it on this way. Bow. Hey, oh my god.
I can do a lot of car sounds. Not the basic home, chom or those sounds, but like the exact engine sound. For example, VR38 Dead, which is on Nissan GTR R35. Or maybe 13B, which is Mazda RX-7. Some Formula 1.
Okay, so this is a compilation of unidentified sounds I can make, so please help me identify them. Here we go. I feel like I'm in the jungle.
I don't know if you can see it. I can dislocate my arm. And number two being, I can dislocate my hip. Both of my hips. And I forgot this one as well. I don't know what this is really, but it's kind of weird. Weird talent that I have that nobody asked for. I make the sound from like right here.